Hey everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be doing an install on this 40-inch OnX6 light bar from Baja Designs using their grill mount kit for the 10 to 14 Raptor. So we've got our 2013 Project Raptor behind me, we've got all the hardware and everything laid out here. We're going to show you guys how to put this together, so let's jump right into that install. Start by opening your hood and removing the rubber grill bump stops. These are attached with 2 Torx head screws on each side. Use a flathead screwdriver or a pry tool to remove the plastic inserts. Drill out the top hole on each bracket with a 7/16 drill bit. Now attach the Baja Designs mounting brackets on each side with the hardware provided in the kit. Then attach your light bar brackets to the bar itself and install the mounting hardware through the bottom hole. You can then position the light bar onto the truck. With the light bar in place, we can turn our attention to the wiring. We ran our harness up through the gap next to the radiator and tucked it behind the battery box to keep the wires secure and out of sight. The Raptor has 4 upfitter switches on board. 2 are rated for 30 amps, 1 is rated for 15 amps, and the last one is rated for 10 amps. Do not wire your 40-inch bar to the 10 amp switch. We chose to connect ours to the number 1 switch, which is a 30 amp switch. Review the last page of your included instruction manual to determine which wire colors correlate to the upfitter switch you want to use. Once you've spliced your wires together, test to ensure that everything works properly, and that'll complete the install on this OnX6 light bar. As always, thanks for watching.